Let's talk about codons and why they're so important when talking about protein synthesis. A codon is a triplet sequence of nucleotides that we find in mRNA. And one codon is going to code for a single amino acid. And many amino acids put together are going to form a protein. So many of these codons are going to form the sequence that's going to take to make these proteins. Now, to start off, there are two really important types of codons. Our first type is the start codon, AUG. All genes must start with a start codon. Our second type of codon is going to be a stop codon. All genes also must end in one of the three stop codons. And these three stop codons are UAA, UAG, and UGA. Now, there are 61 other different types of codons. And each of these codons, like I mentioned before, will code for a specific amino acid. This is a codon chart. And we use this codon chart to figure out which amino acid is going to be coded by which codon. Now, these codon charts are degenerate and unambiguous. Degenerate means that there are several amino acids that have more than one codon. For example, you can see threonine here has 4 different codons that codes for that specific amino acid. Unambiguous means that each codon only has one specific meaning. For example, ACU will only code for threonine. I'm going to go over how to use one of these codon charts in a different TikTok, but I want to go over what these letters actually mean. These 3 letters are abbreviations for the 20 different types of amino acids. For example, you can see THR stands for threonine. There are 20 different amino acids, each having a 3-letter abbreviation and a 1-letter abbreviation. So we use this codon chart to figure out which amino acid each codon codes for. What we're actually seeing is these codons coding for a particular amino acid that's going to be brought in by a tRNA molecule. And this whole process is known as translation. So basically what we're using that codon chart for is figuring out which codon is going to code for which amino acid.